One of the biggest scares for sellers when they're looking to actually sell their home is the inspection period. A lot of times, once you have your home under contract, after you put it on the MLS, the buyer will come back from the lender basically saying that the lender said that certain things need to be repaired for them to be able to finance this house. So in this video right here, I'm going to give you a quick way of how to understand how to estimate the repairs that need to be done in your home and how to get it done fast. Before we do that though, make sure you like, you subscribe, and you share to anyone that's actually looking to sell their home right now. So one of the first things that you want to do when you're looking to sell your home is make sure that you have the timeline prepared. So a lot of times when you're moving forward to sell and you know you have to make different repairs on your house, the timeline might be off. You might think that certain repairs only take a couple days or maybe a week or so, which in turn it might actually be a month or a few weeks out before you're able to actually put that home on the market and get it market ready. After you have the timeline down, what you want to do is reach out to around 3 different contractors and get bids from each of those contractors. And a lot of times you want to see on those bids the difference between the labor and what the actual material costs are, so you know exactly what you're paying them versus what you're paying for with the actual materials. Once you've got the contractor that you know that you want to work with, make sure that you lay out the expectations with that contractor. And what that means is understanding what jobs are going to be done first, what's the main priority, and what doesn't actually need to be done. After you made those expectations clear, the next thing you want to do is point out the small details. So as I said before, you want to start talking to the contractor about what job needs to be done first, what is the most important thing that you want to get done, and when you actually need the job to actually be done so you can place the home on the market. And lastly is the decision time. So that means when it comes to you putting in new appliances or new, like I said before, kitchen or whatever that you think you might not actually need. There are some things when you're placing your house on the market, especially in a hot market like this, to where you don't actually need to put in a new refrigerator or a new stove because the house can pretty much sell as is for the market value. So I know that sounds like a lot, but it'll be well worth it once you actually get the remodel complete. But if you're looking to skip all of that and sell your home without any repairs, we buy houses as is. Go to our website, www.nowpropertyinvest.com, and we'll give you a fair offer and purchase your home when you need it.